Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Have you ever seen objects totally covered in beads and wondered how long it took somebody to make that? Well, I finally figured out how they do it with the help of my friends at John Bead. They recently sent me something called a bead spinner. Now with this bead spinner, you can thread tons of beads at a time, and I gotta tell you, I am obsessed with it. So today, we're trying it out. Are you ready? Let's cover some things with beads. From the 15th century, seed bead creation and production was centered in the glass-making center of Murano in Italy, before finally reaching Bohemia, and then to a lesser extent in France and Germany. After beads were first introduced to the Native Americans by the Europeans in the 16th century, they became a staple of Native American art. Since there was no currency exchange at the time, Europeans traded beaded necklaces and other goods for animal skins, furs, and meat. The most sacred colors to Native Americans are red, blue, black, white, and yellow, and though they each have several meanings, here are a few. Red means the spiritual life and strength, blue, wisdom and the sky, black, male and death, white, peace, and yellow, heroism. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.